How to fix GTA 5 Rockstar Games Launcher login error. Welcome back to Teknobalta. During our recent deep dive into the most frustrating PC gaming issues, our technical team investigated a severe login error occurring within the Rockstar Games Launcher when trying to launch Grand Theft Auto 5. Our exhaustive diagnostics revealed that this authentication loop often stems from account mismatch errors, corrupt local profiles, or network synchronization failures. We have thoroughly tested every possible workaround in our lab to provide you with the definitive troubleshooting guide. Follow our step-by-step solutions carefully to restore your access to Los Santos. First, our testing showed that forcing the authentication protocol can sometimes bypass temporary server handshake failures. Simply press the login button 3 to 4 times in rapid succession. Our network analysis indicates this aggressive approach can force a successful connection through momentary packet loss. If the brute force login fails, Teknobalta's analysis revealed a common conflict where the social club account incorrectly matches with the associated Steam profile. You need to navigate to the official Rockstar Social Club website and access your linked account settings. From there, manually unlink your Steam account and then carefully relink it to refresh the secure digital token. Corrupted local credentials are a primary culprit for endless login loops affecting the launcher infrastructure. To fix this, open the Rockstar Games Launcher, navigate to the Settings menu, and select your account information. Click on the option to delete your local profile, which forces the launcher to generate fresh credential files upon your next login attempt. Residual cache files can trap the launcher in a broken authentication state. Press the Windows key plus R, type in app data, and navigate to the local directory. Locate the Rockstar Games folder and delete the Social Club cache directory entirely to clear out corrupted temporary files. Permission restrictions frequently block the launcher from reading necessary security certificates during startup. Right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator before applying the changes. During our network diagnostics, we found that active VPNs or proxy servers drastically interfere with Rockstar's regional authentication servers. Open your Windows network settings and disable any active virtual private networks. Ensure that your system is using a direct, unfiltered connection to prevent IP masking and localization errors. Stale DNS records can misdirect the launcher away from the correct login server addresses. Open the Windows command prompt as an administrator to refresh your routing. Type the command ipconfig/flushdins and hit Enter to clear out old network routes from your system memory. If flushing the DNS does not resolve the issue, switching to a more reliable public DNS is our next recommended step. Go to your Network and Sharing Center, access your adapter settings, and open the IP4 properties. Manually set your preferred DNS to 8 and the alternate to 8 to route your connection through Google's stable servers. Missing core executable files will instantly trigger a launcher crash or login failure before the game can load. Open your Steam library, right-click on Grand Theft Auto 5, and open the Installed Files properties. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and let the system replace any corrupted data packages automatically. The game's configuration files stored in your Documents folder can sometimes conflict with cloud save synchronizations. Navigate to your Documents folder, find the Rockstar Games directory, and temporarily rename it to Rockstar Games Backup. Relaunching the game will force the engine to create a brand new configuration folder with default baseline settings. A broken launcher installation requires a complete wipe and reinstall to restore core base functionality. Go to the Windows Control Panel, uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher entirely, and restart your computer. Download the latest version directly from the official Rockstar website and install it on your primary operating system drive. Secure socket layer certificates require precise time synchronization to authenticate securely with external servers. Right-click the clock on your Windows taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Toggle the switch to set the time automatically, and click the Sync Now button to ensure absolute chronological accuracy. Windows Defender might mistakenly identify the launcher's background network behavior as a malicious threat. Open your Windows security settings and navigate to the Firewall and Network Protection menu. Click on Allow an app through Firewall and ensure both private and public access permissions are granted to the Rockstar Launcher. Outdated network interface controllers can drop crucial packets during the heavily encrypted login phase. Open the Windows Device Manager and expand the Network Adapters category. Right-click your active Ethernet or wireless adapter and select Update Driver to pull the latest certified version from Windows Update. A complete network protocol reset can resolve deep-seated WinSock catalog corruptions that block outbound traffic. Open an administrative command prompt and run the command netch WinSock reset. Restart your PC immediately after the command executes to rebuild the entire network stack from scratch. Background applications frequently hook into the launcher and disrupt the overlay and login interface. Open the System Configuration tool by typing msconfig into the Windows search bar. Hide all Microsoft services, disable all remaining third-party startup programs, and reboot to isolate the pristine launcher environment. Malicious software or aggressive network optimizers can alter your system host's file to block specific Rockstar domains. Navigate to the System32 drivers, etc. folder within your primary Windows directory. Open the host's file in Notepad and carefully remove any custom routing lines that mention Rockstar or social club servers. We discovered that certain internet service providers inadvertently block Rockstar's specific authentication port ranges. Disconnect from your home network and connect your PC to a mobile data hotspot via your smartphone. Attempt the login process again, and once successful, you can safely drop the hotspot and switch back to your primary home network. Aggressive heuristic scanning from third-party antivirus software can quarantine essential launcher executable files in real time. Open your antivirus dashboard and temporarily pause active protection modules for 10 minutes. Launch the game to see if the login error clears, confirming whether you need to add a permanent folder exclusion. Finally, missing Windows security updates can break operational compatibility with Rockstar's modern encryption standards. Open the Windows Update menu and check for any pending cumulative updates or optional hardware patches. Install all available updates and perform a final system restart to ensure optimal system stability before launching Grand Theft Auto 5. We hope these exhaustive troubleshooting steps from our technical lab helped resolve your launcher issues. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.